Today I want to walk you through a little plugin that I just released called QuickPost. QuickPost is a plugin that allows you to create new posts directly from the block editor. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and in my plugins area, you can see that I have QuickPost installed, as well as one of my other plugins called Superlist. And if I go into a brand new page, let's go into a post, you can see that there is a new grayed out button called Add New Post here in the toolbar. It's grayed out, just like Save Draft and Preview, because right now it doesn't make sense for you to be able to use this button, right? You are already in a new post. But as soon as you add something, now you have something that is savable, so you can save a draft, and you can also say, okay, I'm done with this post, I want to make a new post. So if I just click this, it's gonna be like, oh, you have changes that may not be saved. Maybe that's okay, and I just want to leave, and I can leave. And there we go. We are now in a brand new post of the same post type. So if you were in a page and you said add new, you would be in a new page. If you were in a custom post type called books, you would be in a new book post. But you can also duplicate posts with this button. So let's say I have a small post, and I'm going to save this as a draft, but I want to create another post that is going to have basically the same stuff in it. So I can click the little kebab menu and click duplicate post. And when I do that, as you can see, it makes a duplicate. It adds copy of in the beginning of the title, so you know you're in a duplicate, and then you can do whatever you need. This will copy all of your post information. So your categories, your tags, your title, your post meta. What it won't copy for you is anything custom that a plugin might add. For example, Yoast adds its own custom information in its own custom way. Those things are not going to duplicate over, but everything else will. For example, let's go ahead and look at this About page that I've been working on. So this About page has a cover in it, and it has a heading in it. It's got a block quote in it. You know, there's a lot going on, and maybe I want another page just like this. Well, instead of me having to go to the main options area and copy all the content and then go back into the pages area and press add new and to remember what title I wanted to give and then press Command V to paste it all, I could have simply gone to the About area where I already was, clicked the little menu here, pressed duplicate page, and all of that is taken care of for me. That's all. I hope that you enjoy this plugin and it makes your workflow a little bit easier. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.